Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Searchmetrics for enterprise SEO reporting, complete guide step by step. To get started with connecting Searchmetrics for enterprise SEO reporting, begin by logging into your Searchmetrics account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the settings option in the main menu. Click on settings, then select API access from the drop-down menu. Here, you will find your API key. Copy the API key to your clipboard. Next, open your preferred reporting tool, such as Google Data Studio or Power BI. In the reporting tool, create a new data source. Select the option to connect via API. You will be prompted to enter your API key. Paste the API key into the designated field and proceed. Now, configure the data requests for the metrics you wish to track. Refer to the Searchmetrics API documentation for guidance on available metrics. Once you've configured your desired settings, test the connection to ensure it works correctly. If successful, save the data source in your reporting tool. You can now start building your reports using the data pulled from Searchmetrics. Customize your reports to highlight key insights relevant to your SEO strategy. Regularly review and update your API settings as needed. This ensures ongoing access to the latest metrics and data. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Searchmetrics for enterprise SEO reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.